Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today I have Lifesawave subscription box. This is an ocean themed box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty. So Lifesawave, you can get it monthly. The longer you keep it, like if you get a quarterly subscription, that's what I did, the more of a discount you get. So let's get into the box. She wraps it so nice. The problem I have with this box is there's so many foozles in here. I end up dropping them all over the floor. I think I do find them actually months later. And of course, she encloses a card and it says, "Hi, our beautiful mermaid Robin." So you instantly become a mermaid when you get this box. And there's more on it, but since I haven't had my cataract surgery yet, I still can't read it. And then this is a give back box. So they do donate part of what they get for the box. And I think this one is primarily the sea turtle. So this one doesn't say that I saw on the card, but they do donate to nonprofit organizations. And if I find out what it is, it'll all be in this description below. So let's get into the box. This one has it looks like, is it a walrus? But I don't know, it's just a card. So it's not a postcard, but it's just a card, but look at how beautiful that is. So I'm thinking it's a walrus. So let me know what you think. And then they always put a Lifesawave sticker. And as you can see, they put candy, it looks like taffy and shells, and then all the food. And then they're cut glass. I have a jar that I keep in my guest room, and I throw these into the jar. And the taffy, I can't eat it, but I do save it to see if somebody else would like to eat it, and then I get rid of it. So because there's too much on top, I'm gonna dig through the box. And I don't believe this box comes with a card with what's in it. It did have, there's a handmade item in here where you can get 15% off if you go to the store, and it is made in Hawaii. There's some type of jewelry. So I'm sure we will discover what that is. And then the first thing, I pulled out this. I don't know what it is. And it looks like it's a body oil. It is a perfume oil by Sundazed. And it says it's wicked good. And you know I'm gonna have to open it. It smells like sand. Like if you were to rub your feet in the sand. I don't have anything on, so I am gonna test it. Ooh, that smells good. So that's the first thing in the box. And they did wrap it up pretty good, so if it should leak, it wouldn't get all over anything. And the next item that I pulled out, and I want to make sure that I don't have things all over the place. It looks like it could be a beach cover-up. And how pretty is this? It's in a green and white. So I'm thinking, and it's by Laura Janelle, that this is a beach cover up, or you can just wear it over a tank top. It's short enough, and wear it with shorts, because to me this would be too short for a beach cover up. And I will model it for you and put a picture at the end of the video. And there's more. Just trying to do this without knocking these stones and shells all over the floor. I think this is the bag that they were talking about that's made in Hawaii, and you can get a 15% discount. And I will leave the link for that discount code. So this is a cute bag. Definitely has a Hawaiian theme on there, and you can put coins in there. So the next time I go to Hawaii, I can bring my bag. You can hear all the noise I'm making with my candy and rocks. And I'm thinking there's got to be more in here. Oop. And there is. Oh. And this is going to be perfect. I can hang this up in the backyard. It's a little, and what's great is I don't have to make it. I've seen these, but you have to like do it yourself, like a little project. This one I don't have to do. Lifesawave. Oh, and you can get 15% off. It's a bohemian style, and it's you can get it off of Etsy. And whoever sent this, they handmade it. So how awesome! And look at the. And I will take a picture of this and post it on Instagram. But this is definitely going to go outside. So we have that, and let me just double check and make sure there's nothing else in this box. This is a great month. Oh, I think I found something. It is jewelry. It's very petite jewelry. So I don't think I'm gonna wear it, but let's just see. And don't forget, I am doing that giveaway for Jean Louise so she can reach 1,000 subscribers, and I believe she's at 945. So she's getting there. So the link for her giveaway and the other giveaways that I have going on is going to be below, so please check it out. Let's help her get there. Oh, it's two. It's got a, wow. It's sea glass. So it's not as dainty. Well, it's still dainty, but not. I just saw the one heart, but look at how beautiful that is. Please ignore my nails. I have to get my nails done. Now that is beautiful. And then it's got the chain. I don't know the length of this, but this is definitely. So my trip to Hawaii seems like it's getting closer, because now I have two things that I can bring to Hawaii. So let's see if there's anything else. I'm just finding all this taffy glass and shells. I think that might be it. Besides all this foozle. So I hope you guys are all having a great week. I'm going to try to get, what is today, Monday? I'm going to try and get this video posted today so you can see all my great items. And just a little update, I did go for my eye appointment, but it's like a process now. So the first appointment, they check you out. And then I have another appointment where they actually measure your eye. And then my third appointment, they'll actually do the surgery in the one eye, and then I have 2 follow-up appointments. So I was hoping that I'd be able to see already, but I can't, so hence still no eye makeup. So just to recap, we got all these beautiful stones from my bowl. And let me know what your favorite item is. It's a toss-up. This, and I'm gonna definitely go check out the store, and I will leave the coupon for the discount in the Etsy shop. And since my man is sitting on the couch because he says it's too hot outside, I'm gonna have to send him outside to hang this up. And I know he'll love that. And then we got this beautiful necklace. And this beautiful, I'm gonna use it as a coin purse. And the perfume oil. And if you know what the scent of sand smells like, you're gonna like this. And I will leave the link for Lifesawave, and I will leave all the links that you can get. And I forgot to mention this cute, adorable beach cover-up. Doesn't match my shirt, but how cute is this? And you might be able to tie it up. That is so cute. Discounts for individual items in this box. And check it out, it is a give back box. And I said normally they do the sea turtles, but this card kind of looks like a walrus. So thank you so much for watching. Again, leave what your favorite item is. Check out Jean Louise, and you guys have an awesome day.